Morning everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a gorgeous little limited edition Louis Vuitton for you today. So this is a Louis Vuitton Wild at Heart little zip around wallet, and it's just so cute. I love this kind of cute fun version of the classic Louis Vuitton monogram, and it's in a lovely nude and black and cream colorway as well. It's just a super cute little purse. So I'm going to talk you through the features of it. So it's a zip around purse, so we've just got that zip closure, and inside is nice and simple. We've got that leopard print on the inside, which is super cute. It's got a little bit of pink in it as well, which is gorgeous. And we've got 2 card slots on either side, so 2 there, and then we've got 2 on that side as well. And then we've got 1 card slot in the middle as well. So it's nice leather material on the interior. And then we've got 2 flat pockets on either of those sides as well. So just a very simple but very useful, practical little zip around purse. And it is in a really lovely condition as well. So we've called the exterior excellent condition. There is no wear at all. It's completely perfect. It's the same with the hardware, excellent condition, lovely gold colour. That hardware is just completely perfect. So that is why I've called it excellent condition. Inside here, it is pretty much in excellent condition. We've called it very good because it has the tiniest little mark just there. But I don't even think that's probably from use or anything. It's just a little mark. We've see if we've got the Louis Vuitton badge there. The rest of it, as you can tell, is perfect. So that is why I've called the interior very good condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the Louis Vuitton dust bag, nice little Louis Vuitton dust bag, and then we also have the box and the ribbon as well. And because it is in an almost new condition, that box and ribbon and dust bag are in a lovely condition as well. So if you are looking for a gift for somebody special, it's always nice when it comes with those extra little bits. If you'd like to see it on our website, go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com. While you're on there, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter. When you sign up to the newsletter, we will send you through your welcome discount code to get off your first purchase, which could be this, or it could be any of the other gorgeous pieces that we have on the website at the minute. If you click that link and it doesn't take you straight to this, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean that this has sold. But we do have a request list, so if you have been looking out for one of these, or you've just seen it on our YouTube and you've fallen in love with it but it's already gone, then let us know. We'll get you on the request list, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can get in there nice and quickly. So get in contact with us if you are interested in one of these, or whatever bag it is in mind. Just let us know. We'll get you on that list, and we'll let you know as soon as we have one in. And also, while you're on the website, if you have a look at the How to Sell With Us page, you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with Armcandy Bag Co. if you have any beautiful pieces like this little one that are looking for a new home. So have a look on there, and we'll see you very soon with some more gorgeous Armcandy.